Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you apply a heading style to text in Word, you can then use the navigation pane to select and move to that text within the document. To show the navigation pane in Word, click the View tab in the ribbon. In the Show Button group, check or uncheck the navigation pane checkbox to turn it on or off. By default, the navigation pane appears docked at the left side of the application window. However, you can move it as needed. As previously discussed in the Finding and Replacing Text lesson within the Basic Editing Skills chapter, you use the navigation pane to search for document text. However, the navigation pane also lets you quickly and easily see all the text to which a heading style is applied. Below the Search text box at the top of the pane, you can see the Headings, Pages, and Results tab titles. To view the heading styles applied to the text in your document, click the Headings tab to show all the document text to which you assigned one of the heading styles. The navigation pane also makes rearranging section content to which you applied a heading style very easy. To move a heading and its content to a new document location using the navigation pane, click the Headings tab in the navigation pane. Then click to select the heading and its related text to move within the navigation pane. Then drag and drop the selected heading into its new position within the list of headings in the navigation pane. Word then moves the heading and everything between it and the next heading to the new location. However, note that if you were moving heading content for sequentially named headings, you would still need to rename the heading after placing it into its new location. For example, if you moved a heading named Chapter 1 to below Chapter 3, Word will not rename the heading, only move the heading and its contents. On a side note, clicking the Pages tab in the navigation pane shows page thumbnails of all the pages in your document. You can click a thumbnail to display that page in the work area.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.